Literature is the product of great minds and expression of their hearts. It is the collective efforts of writers who share their gift to the readers and to the society as a whole. Literature is the reflection of the culture in every society. New generations learn the history of this country, hence developing a sense of belongingness and patriotism. By reading, we find entertainment or a simple escape to reality. Young ones are therefore encouraged to use these creative imaginations. Bicol literature is becoming more and more popular. As a matter of fact, there are so many famous Bikolano writers in our country today. I admire the effort of DepEd to integrate Bicol literature in the curriculum. This action will encourage more students to read and appreciate local literature. I love reading young adult novels such as the Harry Potter series. I would also recommend the works of Roald Dahl and Lemony Snicket, and of course, the Lola Basyang books of our very own Christine Billen. They are fun to read and their stories are always integrated with good moral values. My students inspire me to write. They always ask me to share them my stories, so classroom humor is usually the theme of my works. My advice to the students is to read, read, and read. And when you have that unique idea to share, please write, write, and write. We must not leave this world without a story to tell.
To you guys, what is the importance of literature?
We've realized that the literary pieces that we have studied are important.
And we must give importance to them because some of the stories that happened in the Philippines in the past,
And some of them are about the Bicol culture. That's all. Thank you.
Thank